IRS Internal Revenue Service Tax News dated November 2019. IRS updates guidance for deductible business, charitable, medical, and moving expenses. But first, at our website at accountinginstruction.info, we have many courses that concentrate on Excel and accounting. Note that many of our courses do have an Excel component, but these courses will specifically specify problems that will be worked through using Excel. Note that any purchase of any course on our website does support all the content that we create. Please consider visiting our website at accountinginstruction.info, purchasing a course supporting the channel. That's at accountinginstruction.info, accountinginstruction.info. Washington. The Internal Revenue Service today announced guidance for taxpayers with certain deductible expenses to reflect changes resulting from the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, the TCJA, Revenue Procedure 2019-46. There's a link to this PDF here. There will be a link to this location in the description. Posted today on IRS.gov, that's IRS.gov, the IRS website, IRS.gov, updates the rules for using the optional standard mileage rates in computing the deductible costs of operating an automobile for business, charitable, medical, or moving purposes. The guidance also provides rules to substantiate the amount of an employee's ordinary and necessary travel expenses reimbursed by an employer using the optional standard mileage rates. Taxpayers are not required to use a method described in this revenue procedure and may instead substantiate an actual allowable expenses provided they maintain adequate records. The TCJA suspended the miscellaneous itemized deductions for most employees with unreimbursed business expenses, including the cost of operating an automobile for business purposes. However, self-employed individuals and certain employees, such as armed force reservists, qualifying state or local government officials, educators, and performing arts may continue to deduct unreimbursed business expenses during the suspension. The TCJA, Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, also suspended the deduction for moving expenses. However, this suspension does not apply to a member of the armed forces on active duty who moves pursuant to military order or incident to a permanent change of situation.